Hi everybody, it's Sheila. Welcome back to the Crochet Nurse channel. Are you ready to discuss who was the winner from my channel for the Secret Santa? Well, let's get to it. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. So last week or the week before, time flies right now, it's the end of the year, right? So last week or the week before, I put out a video talking about the Secret Santa for Charity event, and that was like a three-pronged thing happening. Secret Santa for charity, and my charity was Alzheimer's, and I put out the fiddle mat and fiddle cuff video to accompany it. And then secondarily, I was sharing with you that for that Secret Santa, it was a collaboration between a lot of channels that we were putting out a video, and at the end game for that was that Reggie would draw, and then we would be a Secret Santa, me being a Secret Santa to somebody from another channel and them being mine. And I wanted you guys to be in on that, and so I also said at that time that I would do a giveaway for my channel and that I would draw today. So I want to thank everybody ahead of time for going down in comments, putting tons of comments below. I'm sorry to hear about all of the Alzheimer's out there, but as I shared too, that it is a prevalent disease. So let's get to the drawing so I can share that with you. FYI, at the end of the video, I'll go ahead and I'm going to post that fiddle mat video that I had out last week, so that way if you're starting to make the fiddle mats and the fiddle cuffs, it'll help you with tips and tricks to kind of continue on that. I'd love to hear about how it's going. Also would love to hear how the donations have went for that. My mat and cuffs have now been donated, and I plan to make some more. Oh, and I will get this question, so I thought I'd answer it right now. This is that V-neck scarf that I made a couple weeks back, or maybe a month back. I used ice yarn to make it, and this I got in an unboxing about 3 weeks ago. That video is on my channel as well. The pattern for this is from Nastasia.com, and also Nastasia on YouTube is her V-neck scarf. I just modified it a little bit, added an end, but that's where it is. That's what it is, in case you guys wondering what it was. Anyway, so let me get to my computer and we will do that drawing. See you in a second. Okay, I'm at my computer and I've already entered the URL. And let's click to get the YouTube comments. Okay, and we're ready to begin. And it looks like, oh, that's a long name there. It's Crystal, the Yarny Chicken and Crazy Cat Lady Walker. I've been to your site and seen a few of your videos. Super cute. So what does your comment say? Happy early birthday to your husband. My great-grandmother had Alzheimer's. She passed away 12 years ago. I'm so sorry. The twiddle mats are a neat idea. Indeed they are. I love the twiddle mats and love the twiddle cuffs. I've seen them do so much good for folks. So Crystal, my email is in the description box. Reach out to me. Couple days. I'll give you a couple days to reach out to me so you can share with me your address, etc., and so I can send you your Secret Santa gifts. Not much of a secret, right? Because you know it's coming from me. But that's what I wanted to share with everybody today. I will talk with you all at another time. Have a fantastic day.